Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Upal Raj and in this video I will show you how to copy YouTube comments on iPhone and Android. So now if you have ever tried to copy a YouTube comment inside YouTube app, you may have noticed that YouTube does not provide any direct option to do that. So whether you want to save a useful comment or share it with someone or just want to keep it for a reference, there is no way to do this in YouTube app. But I have a trick that you can use to copy YouTube comment. So first open YouTube app on your device and then play the video you want. After that, click on this share icon and then click on copy link. So after copying the link, you need to open any browser. So just open any browser, paste the link and search this link. Now it will automatically open the video in browser, and after that just open the comment section, and once you open the comment section, find the comment you want to copy, then press and hold on the comment, select the comment and then click on copy option. So that's how you can copy comments of any YouTube video. And now you can paste it into the notes app, a message, a document or anywhere else you want. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.